Hey everybody, this is Andrew, and these are 4 tips you might not know from your Safari browser. First one is that whenever you're on a page, say you're scrolling like this, but the page has a lot of content and you're really way down, instead of flicking your finger up like that to try to get to the top, if you're all the way down, you could always tap the top of the screen that's in between the time and the Wi-Fi icon and so on. You can type that. There you'll see the bar like if you were going to enter a new address, but if you tap it again, it'll basically act as a page up feature. So it'll scroll all the way up. So if you're all the way down here and you want to scroll all the way up, instead of flicking your finger, you can just tap in here and then go up. Next I want to show is, say you're on a website such as apple.com and you want to find a specific word, just like you would do in a computer. If you're in a Mac, Command F, and if you're in a Windows, Control F, you could just bring up this menu right here and then scroll all the way to the right, and then you'll find that magnifying glass right there. And this is basically, let's say you're looking for user agreement, type in agreement, and that'll show up just like you would do on a desktop computer. Next up is, let's say you were looking at some news. And you read the piece of news. Let's just open here, whatever. This is globalnews.ca. You're reading this and eventually you closed it. And once you close it, you're like, what am I going to do? Just like in a computer, you could go to your history, come here and then look for it. But another way to do it would be to tap the plus sign that's here in the middle when you're going to add a new tab. Tap and hold that, and you're going to see your recently closed tabs right there. You're going to access the article again. And lastly, in the same fashion that you long press that plus sign, say that you have all your tabs right here, you want to get rid of all of this. You could be on any site, and if you press and hold the icon on the right side, bottom right, like that, you're going to have the option to close all tabs, just this tab, new tab, or new private tab in this case. So you want to close everything, and then you get a clean browsing experience. That's all I have for you today. Thank you for watching.